Everything in your body, connect. Everything. Everything you were born with, you need. Everything. Heart, blood, cells, gallbladder, kidneys, everything. The moment you allow the doctors to remove something out of your body is the moment that you throw your body off balance. Because everything is connected. Everything has a purpose. Same way as nature. Everything in nature is connected. We're connected to nature as well. When you take away from nature, like her animals, you throw off their balance. You throw off the cycle of what they're meant to do or what they were created to do. Everything was created to work in harmony with each other. Everything on earth and everything inside your body, when I say everything, I mean everything, has a purpose. Not tamper with that purpose, including surgery. When you enhance something, when you add something to your body that you was not created with, you throw off the balance. Take care of nature, take care of your body, and it'll take care of you. Take care of your soul, eat to live. All lives under earth matters. That is all.